Hi, I'm Ravi Thacker, the Group Product Manager for MotoMaker. So what we have here is MotoMaker. We have transformed our entire business to be centered around you, the user. You're going to be able to design a product entirely on your own, and we're going to deliver it to you in 4 days or less. You're going to be able to select from thousands of different combinations, hundreds of color combinations, and a variety of different features. So what I like to do is go ahead and show you how MotoMaker works. So what you have here is the Moto X product within the MotoMaker experience. And what you see here is the first thing that I can do is select a back color for my phone. There's a variety of different options here. I can go ahead and select royal blue, for example, or spearmint, or if I'd like to be a little bit more creative, maybe go with a cherry. And what you see here is we've categorized these into themes, as well as having wood here, one of our premium material types that we're looking forward to bringing to market a little bit later on. And the reason for this is, as we studied consumers and we studied users, what we found is there's this idea and this notion of the paradox of choice. When you have so many different combinations, so many different things, you really have to make it simple for the user to understand and see and relate. And so what we've done here is categorize it into themes of cool, neutral, warm. So I'm going to go ahead and select turquoise because I like the turquoise back. Now, the next thing that I can do is select the front housing color. I can select white or black, and these are pretty neutral colors, so they complement any different type of selection that you have for the back of the phone. And what I can also do is go ahead and select the 360 view, so I can see the phone from all sorts of different angles. And what you notice here is there are the power and volume keys and the trim around the camera. And what we saw specifically with the male demographic is that they love to complement their phone design with an accent color. So what I can go ahead and do here is select different accents, as you can see, changing from metallic red to metallic orange to a yellow. And so I've got all these cool options that I can design my phone exactly how I want it. So I'm just going to go ahead and select the metallic yellow. And what you see down here is the estimated delivery date. Now, we're able to deliver the product to the user in 4 days or less. And the way we're able to do that is by assembling the product right here in the USA. And so what you see here is 4 days or less. And say for some reason we had just overwhelming demand for a certain particular color that we just, went out of stock for a very short period of time. Well, this estimated delivery date will change to say 5 days, because we're able to manage piece part level inventory, and we have transformed our entire supply chain to support a product that's designed by you. Now, one thing that I really love myself is the fact that you can sign your design. So I can go ahead and put designed by Ravi right here and hit apply to phone. And there you see it. There's a short message that's on the back of your phone. It's designed by you, it's all about you. Now, one of the things we've seen is that people love to buy cases that complement and protect their device. And so what we have done is partnered with we've partnered with some folks to create clear cases so that your beautiful design that you've created is not lost with a case that's covered that's maybe black. And so what I have here is the ability to have maybe a red case with a clear back that's showcasing all the great things that I have designed. Now, what I can also do is go ahead and select a 16 gig or a 32 gig memory configuration, or even a power on graphic. So for example, every time when I turn on my phone, if I like it to greet me with "Hi Ravi," that's in the software. Now, what we've also done is made it so that you can select any choice of wallpaper right here through MotoMaker and have it come configured on your phone exactly how you want it, okay? And if you notice, the one that we show here by default matches the turquoise back that you selected. And so I can go ahead and change this to a different one. Maybe I'll just go with the blue one, all right? And then I can go ahead and go to Google Sync here, and I can even sign up or sign in to my Google account right here. And so when I get my device, all I have to do is type in my password and I'm ready to go. I'm gonna be set up and bam, it's gonna be ready. Now, this is really cool here. We have partnered with our partners at Soul to create color matched accessories. So I can get a Jax headset that's in the exact same turquoise color right with my phone. And so I can also select and change it to one of the other different colors here. And then I can go ahead and add it to my order. And finally, I can hit review and checkout. And here I can go through a summary of everything I've ordered, see everything, how it's configured. So right when I go ahead and hit submit, I know exactly what I'm gonna get. And now there's two ways to go ahead and check out. The first is that you went to a carrier store and you signed up for service, you saw the product there, and you decided that you want to get a customized version of Moto X, and you'd be given a Moto X card. And what this card allows you to do is redeem it online at MotoMaker.com, where you scratch off the PIN code, and you already have signed up for service, and you've signed up for you've purchased the device and signed up for service. All you have to do online is design your phone, and it'll be shipped to you in 4 days or less, fully assembled in the USA. The second way is you've come to MotoMaker.com and you want to sign up for your carrier service through MotoMaker, and you absolutely have the ability to do that as well, and select your voice, data, SMS plan, etc. right through MotoMaker.com. So MotoMaker allows the user to design a phone exactly how they want it. Motorola is going to assemble it right here in the USA and deliver the product in 4 days or less.